kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna go out here and see what Ralph does. Ralph? Ralph? There he is. He comes down here. Ralph? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Are you having a good day? What you doing? Huh? Are you hungry? You want something to eat, Ralph? You do? You want a snack? You want something to eat? You want me to get you some food? Do ya? I can get you some food, I guess. Okay, you ready? Should we go down? You already had lunch a little bit ago. You want some more? Okay. Today is Easter. I guess you want an Easter meal, right? Is that it? Huh? You want a meal, Ralph? Is that what you want? Got an itch? You want a meal? Okay. You know what Jesus said? He said, follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. So I guess we could fish for fish. Okay. You ready? Let's go. Come on. Okay. Come on. You coming? Okay. Come on. Oh. Okay, Ralph. Ready? Here we go. Okay. You want a little snack? It's Easter. Okay. Here we go. I guess I can get you something to eat. You're the best birdie in the whole world. I have to throw some food out there for you, okay? You ready? Are you excited? Okay. Ready? Here we go.